والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
Dhikr for the heart like water for the fish.
Establish Salah at home.
The dividing line between Islam and apostasy is the Salah, the prayer.
Imbibe Islamic etiquettes and manners.
Telling lies, backbiting, slandering, zero tolerance we should have at home.
Learn to be the best husband or wife.
You love what your beloved one loves, and you hate what your beloved one hates.
Create an invigorating Islamic environment.
Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is the best husband in the history of humanity.
Join Salim Al-Amri in The Muslim House every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. and repeat telecast at 2 a.m. Saudi Arabia on Peace TV.
Scientific notions in the glorious Quran are among its endless aspects that can testify for the divine nature of this noble book. These scientific notions are probably the best addressed to the people of our time. I am Zakir Naik. Please join me in this program to discuss some aspects of the scientific notions in the glorious Quran.
سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق. We created the universe to
Appreciate the word-to-word authenticity of scientific notions and proven facts mentioned in the glorious Quran, 1400 years. 11 p.m. and repeat telecast at 12 p.m. Saudi Arabia on Peace TV. TV English, the solution for humanity.
Do we have any other non-Muslim guests on either the sister's mic or from any of the brothers' mics?
Yes, we have one here.
Go ahead.
She doesn't want to reveal her identity, so I'll be asking her question.
Okay.
The question is it enough to have faith in Allah in your heart alone, or do you have to declare it in public?
Sister asked a very important question. Before I answer the question, I request the non-Muslim brothers and sisters that this is the opportunity, this is the last session of the convention, Dubai International Peace Convention. If you have any question on Islam, on Christianity, on Hinduism, this is the opportunity. Please feel free to come to the microphone. You can ask any question, you can even criticize Quran. I'm young, I can take it. This is the opportunity, this is the last session. Please don't feel shy. Come on the microphone and clarify your doubt. The sister asked a very important question, that is it sufficient for a person to have faith in Almighty God and believe in Him, or should he or she declare it? Sister, the most important criteria is that that person should have faith in Almighty God. Declaring in public or to others is not compulsory. If the sister feels that there is danger to her life, she may have problems, or maybe society would harm her. In this case, having faith in the heart is sufficient. But if there is no danger to life, no danger to that person, declaring is better, because then that person can follow Islam freely. Because if you have faith and you hide it from others, then you have to practice Islam secretly. That becomes difficult. So if you really fear your life, or you fear that somebody will harm you, then declaring is not a fard, it's not compulsory. But if there is no such problem, declaring is better, because you can practice your faith openly and you need not practice it secretly. Hope that answers the question, sister.
Thank you.